no work, any work around. So we are sticking around, we are still waiting for the work here. So in this period, we enjoy here some work, no money, no anything. Life is so expensive right now, guys. To see is my all today and everything that I've done today, guys. Still continue watching this video and don't skip anything, guys. Kuna masik. Oh, that is a harmful vehicle, guys. Hey, after 2 hours, guys, I'm getting the work. That you can say this along the road, guys, and I just left on this place, guys. So I hope you enjoy to see what is happening of today, guys. So what you see here around this is the place where us we can sit and search for the money, guys. So you can see how the work is going on, guys. Vehicle passing as you are still sitting here and others are working, guys. They have already chosen. In each every motorbike can take 12 package of slice, guys. So those you see here are store where they keep lice, so to wait for the customer to come to buy. What you see here, there is a yellow bucket there. That is a lice. You can see it in each bucket. You can see that was left there, was put there like 10 kg up to 25 kg, guys, and they have been reached up to that place, guys. So enjoy to see this video. I hope everything going all right, guys. As you already closed the work, so that's why you see stick around. Let me end this video at this place, guys. Thank you, and I hope you enjoy to see in each everything, guys. Thank you. Bye bye.